Come with us today to the mountains, and together, let's explore the cacti and succulents living in the wild. Welcome to Joshua Tree National Park, where Mojave and Colorado deserts meet. This vast wilderness, located in Southern California, is home to fascinating varieties of plants and animals. The desert has much to teach us about the marvels of adaptation. Relentless sun, little water, and summer temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit can be too much to bear for non-desert dwellers. Yet, hundreds of species conserve moisture and beat the heat in fascinating ways. This wild arm Joshua tree is not really a tree, but a species of yucca. Like other desert plants, its waxy, spiny leaves expose little surface and are efficiently conserving moisture. It can grow over 40 feet tall at a rate of 1 inch per year. The name Joshua tree is commonly said to have been given by a group of Mormon settlers crossing the Mojave Desert in the mid-19th century. The tree's role in guiding them through the desert, combined with its unique shape, reminded them of a biblical story in which Joshua keeps his hands reached out for an extended period in prayer. This park has numerous hiking trails for all levels, from paved, wheelchair-accessible trails to strenuous hikes. To see the succulents up close, we decided to hike the Hidden Valley. It was a short and easy hike with a 1-mile loop trail with scenic views. Here I came close with another species that looks like the Joshua tree, the Mojave Yucca. This beautiful flowering plant has clusters of white flowers reaching up to the sky. The flowers are massive, and some of the plants lose their vitality after blooming, like this one. Here are some of the cacti we found during our hike. Can you recognize some of them? Some of them look dead, but they will for sure come back to life again when the rain comes. We hiked several more trails, and each one of them has its own scenic beauty to boast. We had our picnic before we head to our hotel, and we found a new friend who joined us. I hope you enjoyed our trip, and if you want to learn more about succulents, check out my free online course, Growing Succulents with Clarity and Confidence, a beginner's guide to growing succulents. The link is in the description below. I'll see you next time. Bye!